a world where curiosity often gets the best of felines, one cat has turned his curious nature into a delicious pastime. Meet Barut, a Turkish cat with an unusual penchant for ice cream. In the bustling cafe scene of Sivas, Turkey, a unique spectacle unfolds. Barut, a possibly stray cat turned local celebrity, has developed an extraordinary love for ice cream. A year ago, a kind-hearted cafe owner took Barut under his wing, and since then, this feline has been delighting customers with his ice cream indulgence. Barut is no ordinary ice cream fan though. His discerning palate has preferences, and you won't catch him enjoying a chocolate scoop. But hand him a simit, a type of Turkish bread, and he'll be just as content. However, this unusual dietary choice has raised some eyebrows in the animal world. Cat behavioral expert Jackson Galaxy warns against feeding cats human foods like ice cream, citing the potential harm to their digestive system. A cat's diet should primarily consist of meat, he advises. But it seems Barut's love for ice cream is an exception to the rule, a testament to the evolutionary adaptation of our feline friends. Still, pet owners must remember to provide their furry companions with a balanced diet suitable for their health and well-being. Barut's story is a delightful mix of curiosity and indulgence, a tale that brings a smile to the faces of cafe-goers in Sivas and animal lovers around the world. His unusual love for ice cream may be a departure from the norm, but it's a testament to the delightful unpredictability of our feline friends. In summary, this was the tale of Barut, the ice cream-loving cat from Sivas, Turkey. His unique love for this sweet treat has made him a local celebrity and a reminder of the delightful quirks that make our animal friends so endearing. However, it's important to remember the dietary needs of our pets, ensuring they receive the right nutrition for their health and well-being.
Please subscribe, like, and share to get more videos.